I'm Heather Skipworth. I'm a Senior Research Fellow and I work in the Supply Chain Research Centre. I work on research projects and I also deliver lectures into the MSc programme, the Logistics and Supply Chain programme. And one of my key tasks actually is managing the Agile Supply Chain Research Club, which consists of 12 companies, large companies like Hewlett-Packard and O2, Port of Tilbury, Procter & Gamble, many you will have heard of, and we work closely with them on various research projects. The Logistics and Supply Chain Concepts module, as the name suggests, cover the core concepts of supply chain, and it cuts across the other modules. It provides, if you like, a foundation for the whole MSc. The supply chain practices we teach contribute to achieving sustainable competitive advantage, even as the competitive landscape continually changes. The module covers a broad range of different concepts. We start, obviously, by introducing supply chain management and how it contributes to competitive advantage. And then we cover a whole series of concepts, such as the lead time frontier. Lead time is a key parameter in supply chain management. We also look at partnerships, both with customers and suppliers, and how to achieve a partnership with a supply chain member. We look at integration of the supply chain, how to integrate both within the company, between functions, and between companies. We address something called just-in-time and lean philosophy, which is all about eliminating waste. We also look at the other end of the scale, which is agile supply chains, which are developed to read and respond to high demand variability and uncertainty. We cover something else as well that I'm sure you're familiar with, supply chain integration, which is looking at integration within a company, between functions, and also between companies. So you can see we do cover a wide range of concepts in this particular module. This module consists of 10 two-hour sessions. Part of each session will be a presentation of the material, both in terms of theory and practice. And the other part of the session will be around a case study, which describes a real-life application of the concept you've just learnt about. And this gives a student an opportunity to discuss that concept and all the issues and problems in applying it with a small group of fellow students, and then share their findings with the wider class. Now, the other important part is the assessments. There are actually 2 assessments, both again around a case study type approach, where they're looking at a particular concept being applied in a real life situation. The first assessment is just 20% of the marks and is given out early on in the module, and that provides the student with an opportunity to get some early feedback on how they're completing their assessment. But the larger assessment, the 80% of the marks, is given to them right at the end of the module. When you come to our lectures, to our modules, I'd say come with an open mind. Be ready to learn new ideas and concepts, and if you like, bring your wits with you. Be ready to apply these ideas to the real life situations that we'll give you in the cases. Because in the end, you want to apply these concepts to the real life situation you'll find yourself in the future.